Unlocking Android 16. 2 must-use security features. Unlocking the power of Android 16. 2 essential security features you must activate. In a world where digital security is paramount, the recent launch of Android 16 by Google has introduced some significant enhancements that every Android user should take advantage of. While the update may have missed a few anticipated features, it undeniably brings forth improved security measures that are crucial for safeguarding your personal information. Let's delve into 2 pivotal security features that you might not be utilizing yet, but should definitely consider enabling. 1. Understanding Identity Check. Introduced in 2024, the Identity Check feature has flown under the radar until the arrival of Android 16. So what exactly is Identity Check? Imagine you're away from your home, which you've marked as a trusted location. During your absence, someone gains unauthorized access to your phone and attempts to alter critical security settings or view sensitive data like saved passwords. Thanks to the Identity Check feature, if your phone is outside of your designated trusted location, any attempts to make changes will be thwarted by biometric authentication. This means that even if someone has physical access to your device, they won't be able to compromise your security settings or personal information. However, finding the Identity Check feature can be a bit tricky. To locate it, simply open the Settings app and search for Identity Check. Once you're on the Identity Check page, you can enable the feature, which is typically on by default, and designate a trusted location. Keep in mind that once you set a trusted location, biometric verification won't be necessary when you're at that specific place. Personally, I've chosen not to add a trusted location to maximize the security of my Pixel 9 Pro. It's a personal choice, but I believe in the philosophy of better safe than sorry. So I prefer to keep my security measures as tight as possible. 2. The importance of advanced protection. The Advanced Protection feature is a robust addition to Android that consolidates various security protocols to shield your device from spyware, harmful applications, insecure connections, and other online threats. When you activate Advanced Protection, which is enabled by default, you automatically benefit from a suite of protective measures, including device safety, safeguards against lost, stolen, or confiscated devices. App Protection shields your device from memory vulnerabilities and malicious applications. Network Security prevents connections to insecure networks. Web Protection guards against unsafe websites. Spam Call Protection filters out unwanted spam calls through Google Phone. Message Protection protects against spam and scams in Google Messages. Activating Advanced Protection is as simple as toggling the on-off slider to the on position, and your Android device will be fortified against various threats. Bonus: enhancing account security. Additionally, there's another layer of security you can implement. On the same Advanced Protection page, you'll find an option labeled Account Protection. By tapping on this and authenticating your identity, you can extend Advanced Protection to your Google account, providing an extra shield against targeted online attacks. Just follow the prompts to enroll in Advanced Protection, and you're all set. By enabling these features, you significantly enhance the security of your information and device, making it much harder for potential threats to succeed. I strongly encourage you to activate both of these features as soon as your device is upgraded to Android 16. Stay informed and secure by subscribing to our Tech Today newsletter for the latest updates and tips. Unlock Android 16. Top 5 features you'll love immediately. Imagine a world where your smartphone updates bring not just flashy new features, but subtle enhancements that make your daily life smoother and safer. That's what Android 16 is all about. Now officially available and rolling out to supported devices, this update focuses on usability, security, and privacy tweaks that you'll appreciate right away. Let's dive into 5 standout features of Android 16 that are worth exploring. First up, live updates. Inspired by iOS's live card concept, Android 16 allows you to keep track of real-time statuses directly from your lock screen and notification shade. Whether you're waiting for a taxi or a delivery, you can see the progress and even interact with the service provider, like sending a message or making a call. While some of these features will roll out in 2025, the initial batch offers a glimpse into a more connected future. For users who prefer 3-button navigation, Android 16 introduces predictive back functionality. Simply hold down the back button, and the current screen gently slides back to reveal where you'll return. This nifty feature helps prevent accidental exits from apps, making navigation more intuitive. However, gesture navigation users might find themselves wishing for similar previews. Next, let's talk about hiding sensitive information. Android 16 can detect and conceal the contents of sensitive notifications, such as one-time password, OTP codes, in risky situations. These scenarios include being outside your home Wi-Fi network or having your device locked for an extended period. This added layer of security ensures that your personal information stays private. Scammers, beware. Android 16 includes several anti-scan measures. For instance, the OS prevents changes to critical accessibility settings during phone calls, a tactic often used by malicious actors. Post-call, the system reminds you to disable screen sharing if it was enabled. Moreover, AI-powered filters are better equipped to spot suspicious SMS messages, filtering out common phishing attempts. Another exciting addition is Key Verifier, which checks the cryptographic keys of your contacts to ensure secure communication. While these features enhance security, it's always wise to stay vigilant. One of the most comprehensive security enhancements is the Advanced Protection Security Mode. Activated with a single tap, this optional safety package bundles several protective measures. Inactivity Reboot automatically restarts your device after 3 days of inactivity to close any open sessions. USB device restrictions limits interactions with newly connected USB devices until you unlock your phone and explicitly allow file transfers. Play Store-only installations blocks app installations from sources other than the official Google Play Store. Memory tagging reduces the risk of memory corruption, enhancing overall system stability. Additional safeguards include disabling 2G networks, enforcing HTTPS connections in Chrome, and providing real-time alerts for potential fraudulent calls. Note that some of these features are specific to Google's proprietary apps. In today's digital age, smartphones serve as our primary communication, photography, and productivity tools. However, their batteries often struggle to keep up with these demands. To avoid being stranded without communication, it's essential to know some quick battery-saving tips for both Android and iPhone users. Similarly, even the latest smartphones can run into storage issues, freezing up and refusing to save photos. But fear not. There are reliable methods to free up space without risking data loss. Stay informed and secure with Android 16. What do you think about these new features? Are there any particular ones you're excited about or concerned might not work for you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Android notification upgrade. Pocket check feature. Imagine being able to know exactly what's happening on your phone without even taking it out of your pocket. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie? Well, believe it or not, Android users now have access to a clever new feature that makes this a reality. And no, it's not some fancy AI trick or Google innovation. It's actually the brainchild of a third-party app that's been quietly changing the game for Android users everywhere. Let's talk about something that might just revolutionize how you interact with your phone. Pocket Check. This nifty feature allows you to check for important notifications by simply pressing your phone's power button while it's tucked away in your pocket. Depending on what's waiting for you, your phone will vibrate either once, nothing urgent, or 3 times in quick succession. Something needs your attention. No screen time, no unlocking, just pure, distraction-free awareness. Now here's where it gets controversial. Why aren't more people using this? It's simple, effective, and incredibly practical, yet so many of us are still glued to our screens, constantly checking for updates we don't even care about. Could this be the solution to digital overwhelm? Or is it just another gimmick? The magic behind this system lies in an app called Buzzkill, which you can download right now from the Google Play Store. For just $4, a one-time payment, you get a powerful tool that doesn't track your data, doesn't connect to the internet, and doesn't ask for unnecessary permissions. In short, it's as private and secure as it gets. Setting it up is a breeze. After installing Buzzkill, you create a simple automation rule. Want to check for any new notification? Just select Pocket Check as your action and save the rule. That's it. From then on, a quick press of your power button triggers the system. 1 buzz means all clear. 3 means something's up. But here's the part most people miss. You can customize it to be as specific or as broad as you want. Maybe you only care about work emails or messages from a particular person. Or perhaps you want alerts only if they contain certain keywords, like your name, a project title, or even a mention in a Slack channel. The beauty of this system is that it adapts to your priorities, not the other way around. For example, imagine walking through a meeting and feeling a subtle triple buzz, letting you know that an urgent email just came in without disrupting your surroundings. Or maybe you're out shopping and feel that single buzz, reassuring you that nothing important has popped up. This kind of control over your digital life is rare and surprisingly refreshing. And this is the part most people miss. The system only checks for notifications that arrived after you last locked your phone. So those old reminders or outdated alerts won't trigger false signals. It's smart enough to focus only on what truly matters, based entirely on your own settings. So why hasn't everyone jumped on this yet? Is it because we're too used to constantly checking our screens? Or do we secretly enjoy the dopamine hit of endless scrolling? Either way, this little-known feature gives you the power to reclaim your attention, and maybe even your sanity. All it takes is a 2-minute setup and a willingness to try something different. Now I'd love to hear from you. Do you think this kind of minimal interaction with your phone is the future of mindful tech use? Or does it feel too restrictive, like you're missing out on something important? Share your thoughts below. Let's start a conversation.